Fresh twist in dismissal of Tamil Nadu Minister Senthil Balaji. The dismissal of Senthil Balaji as Tamil Nadu Cabinet Minister has now been kept on hold. Now, according to sources, Tamil Nadu Governor's decision to sack Senthil Balaji will be decided after the legal opinion of the Attorney General is taken. Now, Chief Minister Stalin also held an emergency meeting with legal experts on how to deal with the minister's arrest at a legal level. Meanwhile, taking a dig at Governor Ravi, DMK has put up posters across Tamil Nadu depicting the various cases against several union ministers, asking if Governor Ravi will write to Delhi seeking their removal as well. The sacked minister, Senthil Balaji, in fact, was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate on charges of money laundering in a cash for jobs scam on June 14. For now, Senthil has been retained as a minister without any portfolio in Stalin's cabinet.
The Honorable Chief Minister now, through Stalin ji as opposition leader, has categorically requested the Honorable Governor then in 2016 and 18 to dismiss a minister from the ADMK government. Now in 2023, he calls this a constitutional crisis. The whole of Tamil Nadu knows Mr. Senthil Balaji is a corrupt minister. The whole of Tamil Nadu knows he continuing in the cabinet is definitely not the right thing. The whole of Tamil Nadu expects the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu to remove Mr. Senthil Balaji from the cabinet. Now the question of whether the governor has got powers or no powers, we don't want to get into that. Since the governor has chosen to go to the Attorney General and take his opinion and get back to us.
The challenge is to the powers of the Chief Minister. He doesn't want to conduct himself in accordance with the Constitution. So the Honorable Chief Minister has rightly disregarded his letter, has rightly shown the place where it has to be.
Will DMK take any legal action, because this particular statement from the governor almost claims that Senthil Balaji is kind of like convicted?
Sir, the letter is ab initio void. It need not be acted upon. It can be disregarded. That is what the government has done today.
If the ongoing case against Senthil Balaji in Supreme Court comes to a finality, he will lose his ministerial berth because he is a habitual scamster. And if Senthil Balaji sits for interrogation in ED, many more heads will roll. Fearing the same, Stalin family and the Council of Ministers are going all the way out to safeguard Senthil Balaji. Before this tussle between governor and Tamil Nadu government gets into a culmination in judiciary, Senthil Balaji will lose his post and many more heads will roll for DMK.
मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूं, जिस आदमी का काम है संविधान की रक्षा करना, वही संविधान के विपरीत आचरण कर रहा है। भारत का संविधान बहुत स्पष्ट है। इनमें 164 अनुच्छेद, कैसे मंत्री बनता है, प्रक्रिया भी निर्धारित है। और लोकतंत्र सिर्फ संविधान से नहीं चलता, संविधान की गौरवशाली परंपराओं के साथ चलता है। राज्यपाल जी ने उन्हें बर्खास्त कर दिया। माननीय मुख्यमंत्री ने, स्टालिन साहब ने कोई सिफारिश नहीं की। ये संविधान विरोधी आचरण है।
More than going into the technical and legal nitty-gritty, do we want to have some morality in the public life or not? If somebody is facing such serious charges and matter is in the court, will continue as a minister. And if some suspicion has been cast, then first let them get their name cleared and then be there. So there is something called public morality.
The governor has acted in a completely egregious manner. He has defiled the constitution and has no right to continue as governor. He should be sacked forthwith by the President of India because he has subverted the constitutional scheme.
The original order to remove Minister Balaji in Tamil Nadu was an anti-democratic, anti-constitutional order. But ultimately, Governor of Tamil Nadu has stayed that order. So if it is stayed, we have nothing more to say.
My colleague Pramod Madhav is joining me live on this from Chennai. Pramod, how is the Stalin government looking at this development? But given the fact that this has been put under abeyance at the moment, but today, of course, Stalin had a meeting with legal experts as well. How is the government going to proceed forward?
Well, the Chief Minister held meeting with the Senior Council of Ministers where MP from DMK, Wilson, who's also a Supreme Court lawyer, and NR Elango and the Law Minister was also present. And later, it was a Finance Minister who spoke to the media where he claimed that this is nothing but political vengeance, and he says that the Governor tried to use a power which he does not have, and DMK will not accept it. On the other hand, the Governor's letter very clearly mentions that it was as per Article 153, 163 and 164, the Governor decided to go ahead and dismiss Senthil Balaji. But right now, even as he has taken back that order, put it in abeyance and said that he is waiting for an opinion from the Attorney General. DMK claims that there is nothing more to do to it, but they said that they are all prepared that in case something like this happens in the future, they will definitely face it legally. However, questions are also being raised because earlier BJP said that the Governor, as a person who can appoint the minister, he can also dismiss a minister as per his pleasure, and at the same time the DMK said that the Governor does not have the authority or the power, while the opposition is asking what is the need for Senthil Balaji to continue as a minister without any portfolio.
Right. Pramod, thank you for joining us with all of those details from Chennai.